اه. Hello to the streams, guys. We are back again to the journey of C sharp Godot APIS journey. Today is the day 10, so we are continuing with our C sharp signal. The last stream I done these three parts. Today I got a troubled connecting signal auto loads. It is throwing null reference exceptions, but after the stream I have figured it out. This is nothing wrong which I done. What happened is I deleted the auto load, I created a new node and I added it and it worked. I don't know why Godot is complaining about reference exception, some issue. I created my own new class again with that separate node and I have added it. Let me show you that. So this is my display info manager. Is a node and it is having a signal called my item event, and this is my event handler, and it takes item args as a parameter values, my signal. So the definition of the signal is like signal attribute node, public modifier, and delegate is the one we need to per signal, and it is a void. So item arg is the class. It is under game.data.event. Since I am passing through signals, right, I need to, if I want to pass some node, right, if I want to pass when anything happened, right, I want to pass, let's say, in the global events, I have a enemy died event. So when health components is less than or equal to 0, max of health component comma 0, right? So when the item is died, it will emit a signal from the global events class, auto load. When that happens, I want to check if that signal is from enemy or player, right? So I want to pass the values through the one class to another script using ref counter. In my case here, I need to pass a title, description, and attack. That way, I can just pass it these values. So to be more specific, right, instead of me referencing this auto load into an export variable in another node and catching this signal, what I did is I created a public static where it will emit this signal from the script itself. So it will have an instance. So this is my display info manager, which is same name as my class name. So whenever I call this, it will be instance me that particular function will be assigned. It is like a constructor, you can say. And that one, from that I am emitting this signal my event. Okay, so with that, what I can do? If from not from hot. Tested. So whenever a body enters, which is the player, right, I can simply say display info manager is my auto load. This auto load have a function called item info. This is my info, and info I am passing my all my arguments to that signal. So with that, what I can do, right? Whenever that signal got emitted, I can say like, display info manager dot instance dot connect name of my signal name, comma, callable dot from whichever function I want to my code or pattern or loop, whatever it can. In that function, I'm passing this parameter as a values. Callable dot from will take this lambda function as an info. Item args, item. So whenever the signal is emitted, right, these are all the values which are coming. So that way I have passed it. That in turn will pass it into this thing, and with that I am able to fetch this title, description, and attack when from this game object when player is entered. So with that my auto load. So I loaded this. If I run it now, you can see, right, this is my auto load. There I entered into this. You can see, right, item has been from the signal, it is passed through from object node to auto load. From that auto load I am able to listen the player whenever I want. So this is a nice feature of Godot, signals and events. It is a little bit finicky to work with for sure, especially in the C#, where you need to ref count some places and you need to see that is not a reference is not null, instance is valid, and but it gets the job done. So with that I can mark this as a done. To the streams, guys. To the stream. Keep saying stream. But I'm putting. With this, the signal has been completed. What should I do other than this? I can simply create a light objects. Doesn't take that much time, but I don't want to do this now because it is not that complicated. The only complicated thing I want to learn is signal. I want to still learn generics in C#. That way I will mark this also. Where I can able to construct my code in a modular fashion, where I pass that class as a reference, right? I can what I can say. Let's say I have a bullet component, right? That bullet components will take the arguments from a class called bullet, which will be inheriting from the bullet. Player bullet, enemy bullet. Enemy bullet having so many types of bullets. So whenever I want to instance that signals, right? I'll be using some function, but each time for each bullet I can't create a separate function. Instead I can do generics. With the generics I pass the type T as a class name. It will be inheriting from the bullet class. So with that, all classes I can pass as a single function. Reference. That is a good one, but as of now it is not in that higher priority list. Generics in C. also done. Okay, let me. Oh, we'll continue with yesterday's thing. So I want to display those values in my instance of my node. Oh, how can I do that? Line for TSN. It went all the way. It got rotated. Why it got flipped? Something wrong happened. How got corrupted? Let me think about what should I do. Done. File back. Dark mode. So let me draw something. I'll be do. Anyway, signals has been done. Total. Why don't let me to visit? Let me go to my Godot. No, I am audible, right? So this is auto. Think what I want to do for now for my game. So he will be spawning in small area. So from that he will enter into a room. He transition into a one. That is like arena. My starting. There. So this arena will always be fixed. I'll have some machine or portal. That portal will spawn enemies. Here, 4 location. my player spawn will always be at center. And these are like on end. So what the player will have, right? You initially start a map. Once map has been started, you will get 4 positions. Enemies get spawned into, and they will be shooting everything. It has its own pattern attack state, so each enemy has its own state. Now, what will happen, right? When enemy died, it will drop some gems. So these gems have percentages. Like a modifier, attack percentage, defense, special ability. So the stone will have all these things. So if we have a certain number of stones, then you'll be again putting in this map portal. Then it will create based on the inputs you have provided, it will create its own enemy types. So my enemy should be having a very robust modular structure. So in that way, I can simply create my own monster. So it can be types of essences, body parts and all. I think body parts and all for 2D game is like too much overkill. Definitely, but we can go with the gems as like that. It will drop some gems, gold. So when you got that gem, right, you will modify with some essences. Will purify the crystal. That crystal can summon more monsters with different varieties, different what we can say, higher level of abilities and resist. And then when you completed the challenge and when you kill that enemy, as it will drop again few more gems. I mean higher quality gems. So with and it can have a chance of dropping no gems, and it has a chance of dropping low level content. Other than that, ability is increasing until he needs to go back, stop this arena fights. That's what my game design for now. We'll see how it will turn out. To fix this navigation server map. I'll be creating a C# tutorial by this week. Anyway, as of now, I have learned all types of signal connections. So it's a matter of creating my script and record it and just edit and push the. Today my internet is a little bit. There is some buffer. YouTube is complaining bandwidth is can't do much stuff today. pass everything into a 1. Let me do that. And I want to pass it. Continue. I think it also will work. Let us try. Build it. So with that, all ref counted all the function I can have it in. Game.data.events, all events I can have it like. I know it is better to have it a separate class function. It's also a nice way of structuring my code. Even in the chat, do let me know how frequent you want a live stream. Should I do two live streams in a week or 4 to 5 streams in a week? So basically I will be getting 2 hours of free time in a day per stream. So maximum 1 hour I can spend in stream. Other 1 hour I need to learn Godot on my off stream. Do let me know. Nice. Table. I have to I don't need. I think I'm not using. My load tech. Table. Let me go through once. Forgot how I done. So this table takes generic type, any types. Should be generic type anyway. And my name. So my base class will be my all my ability definitions is inheriting from this class. I can pass that as a reference table. So this loot table will be having all these types whenever I add table a list. Right, adding like dot table done. So in this I am passing each value definition dot add. variable dot comma. So it has a weight of 1 out of 3. Object. I think I can reference that ID. So with that, what I can say for where items item dot, so I can add it to my loop. I think I can simply say add child item. Can I do that? Dot object. In the run, it should add it. Added all three. Isn't it picking only one? It is ordered. Already added. So ID so with that I can simply pass that object. Having some ability. Can I do that? text and all I can pass, but I want to fetch the details like there is not sure how can I. Second point. Not sure how can I. My bandwidth is very slow. I'll be streaming tomorrow if possible. Okay, so to be complaining like bandwidth is limited and it is keep on buffering. So that's it for today's stream. Been 53 minutes. Thank you.